what's going on, guys? So today's Saturday. It's like 4-ish right now. I'm outside with, you guys can see, I'm riding hoodless today, guys. So I'm on my way to a this meet on the block, shutting down the block. So we're gonna head over there, meet my boy Andrew, and yeah, it should be a good time. I'm gonna put my camera up top and see what I get. Sorry guys, hold on, I'm putting on my yeah, and see what I get, guys. So I'm in a rush right now because it's like 25 minutes away. I'm kind of late, started at 4, it's already 4-ish. So yeah, I wanted to drive today with no hood, and my boy Andrew made me do it. So I don't know if you guys can see, there's no hood, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on the top. Maybe we catch some reaction, maybe not. Let's see.
Down there.
All right, yeah. Nah, he said it right. All right, cool. All right, thank you.
All right. We're gonna start doing the whole thing right now. Like angling the cars.
So just leave it right here.
Leave right here for now. Yeah.
I'm gonna just leave it on because my battery's shot, bro.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, if I leave it on, it'll be fine. But I turned it on. I didn't even leave it on today for like that long. Yeah, because they was telling me to go on that side. I don't even know where to go.
Well, because there's the events in the back also. They're gonna have like a DJ back there, food. And all
that's
that.
like the. I guess it's like the main area, kind of.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we figured we'd rather be in the front.
Yeah.
Now I see it.
Alright, so we just got to the spot. All these cars here, got cars behind here. Beautiful RX-7 over there. Got my boy Drew. We're now just fixing up to park right now.
Everybody that's lined up right now is all 5 cars.
Supra GTR. Jesus.
So when he goes on the track, this shit's an ice box, and the hose inside there connects to your helmet.
Oh yeah. I know. So yeah. That's what the drifters use. They use
it can cool your fucking.
Yeah,
helmet.
some of the drifters they use a water line, and it cools the whole suit.
So it's bugged out.
Man, this shit's supposed to be $1,100, dude. This shit is crazy. Y'all would love to buy one and just build it. 2 more over here.
These are trash, bro.
This lineup is crazy right now. It's all in the street. S2K over here. Another BMW Supra. It's crazy. Clean ass Teggy over here. It's crazy. Smell that E85. Look at this. Man, this shit is clean. Man, check this Supra out. Shit. Right hand drive and everything. It shows from like 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. So how it goes. It's giving me like that Fast and the Furious vibe. Like this shit is pretty lit right now. Still more cars going. This thing is like full Japan right here. Got Andrew's car out here. Man, this thing is sick. Gives me like a Japan vibe right here. Look at this. This thing is nice. It's crazy. It's the money shop right here. You gotta have money to come to this shop. This thing is crazy. That's the s2000 with a $30,000 body kit on it right there. Crown Speed Lab owns it. I don't know who this guy is. It's probably some famous car YouTuber. I have no idea. Hold on. Man, this thing sounds crazy. If I get another car, it's exactly what I want to build, the RX-7. Oh man, one of my dream cars. About to go to the back. Drew about to get some food. Yo, Drew.
Good.
About to get some jerk chicken. I don't know if I'm here. I ate like an hour before I left, so see what happens. But we're about to go to the back. The back is a whole bunch of cars also back here too. We park like in the front, which is like the VIP kind of area. So let's see what's back here. Well, it's like some fucking Fast and the Furious shit back here. Holy shit. Dude, look at this shit. This is crazy. Look all the way back there too. Crazy. Man, that boy ain't good. Back on this side now. Got pretty packed. It's beautiful Teggy right here. Beautiful.
That shit was wobbly. You know what?
Look at that turbo.
Rotary like player.
Yeah, that or a train horn, so you can hit the
Definitely.
the button.
Oh shit.
He's all up in it. Yeah, this lighting is everything right now. Man, get this shit is clean.
Black. You know black, bro. That shit swirls instantly.
It's just painted? Whose car is it?
Yeah. This shit look like you
Nah, I gotta be.
fucking sprayed it today.
The car's coated?
No, not ceramic coated. No.
Damn.
Damn.
Yeah.
Can't park here.
Yo.
Look, he half-ass washed it.
Yeah, not even. I don't even know what that was. He just left it
Sprayed it
there.
while it was dirty.
Oh.
Where they got
This thing is crazy. Always my favorite body on the left.
Took it?
That's crazy. Bro, this thing is straight VIP. Hey, yo, hit that shit, my brother. Hit that shit. Hit that shit.
Hit that shit! Hey, oh shit! He went, yo, what the wheels? Yo, what the wheels, man? Look at the back.
Scraping the frames.
There's the scrape marks right there.
Saying that their living room unit is completely dead.
Yeah, we're about to go back on the other side.
Yeah, I think the breaker got switched
The
off.
back parking lot is like super packed.
I mean,
like
I mean,
a
the
whole
request,
bunch
like,
of
the email
cars.
says that the living room unit is
I mean, my
completely
Jamaican
dead.
drink, the dude was drinking
So I
jerk
don't
chicken.
know-
I ate my first
I
like
don't know what that means.
Thai
I don't know
food
if they don't
kinda.
have power or
So-
they're not getting heat.
Oh man, it's like crazy now. Damn, so many people now up here.
Yo, Steven.
Bro, yo, Jude, right? It's like some Fast and the Furious shit.
man.
Dude, look at
Little
movies.
Tokyo, baby.
Yeah, right here. Look at this. We got movies playing on the screen up there. Oh, we about to get hit by a car. Got the Civics over there. These dudes got money. Now, if you guys don't know, this car has a whole $30,000 widebody kit. $30,000, dude.
We only get a little love right there.
Shop right there. So only all the heavy-headed and big dogs come to the shop. And let me make sure my keys are still inside. Imagine my shit not there. Man, I forgot my key inside the car. Is it still here? Yes, it is. Still here. That rotary sounds wild, dog.
I do not like yellow,
Yo,
but that
nah.
shit is
Bro, I
fire.
fucking love rotary sounding engines, bro.
Damn.
I love rotary motors.
First gear. Pow, 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 pow. Bro, I had so much.
Oh, this shit is beautiful. I like it to case, bro, but that shit is fire. That shit is fire. This turbo's what? Yo!
Supercharger, homie.
Dude,
Pro charger.
that shit is the size of my head.
Shit is nice, man.
Shit, man.
Shit is super
700,
nice.
right?
Yeah.
This thing is a monster. Man, been carrying that camera all day. Yo, let me see your muscles. Show me camera muscles. Shit is clean. Yo, Bro,
Original, bro. Four-wheel drive, bro. This shit is crazy.
four-wheel steering.
Man,
this shit is classic right here.
Yo, his mouth could have got us all wasted.
Yo, that rear wheel turns. When he turns the wheel, that rear wheel turns also. See if you can see it turning. Look at that shit turning. So I just brought the car to take some pictures because the lighting is beautiful. Now I can't leave.